In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page with System.io. To begin, log into your System.io account and look at the top navigation menu. From there, click on Funnels. This is where you can create and manage the pages and flow for your campaign. Once you are on the Funnels page, go to the top right corner and click Create to start building a new funnel. Now give your funnel a name that matches the purpose of your landing page. It is a good idea to choose something simple and easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple funnels. After naming it, choose the Build an Audience option. This setup is designed for capturing leads, which makes it a good fit for a landing page. Then click Save. After the funnel is created, click on the name of your new funnel to open its dashboard. Inside the funnel dashboard, you will see the available steps listed on the left-hand side. Click on Opt-in page. This is the page visitors will land on first, and it is where you will build your design. Next, browse through the available free templates and choose the one that best fits the style and goal of your page. When you find one you like, click Select. Remember, the template is only your starting point. You can customize it fully, so focus on choosing a layout that feels close to what you want. Once the template is selected, click the Edit Page icon, which looks like a magic wand on the right side. This opens the page editor, where you can begin making changes. Click directly on any existing text box to replace the sample text with your own headline and body content. Keep your message clear and focused so visitors immediately understand what you are offering. If you want to update the visuals, click on any background section or image placeholder. Then use the left panel to upload your own media files. Custom images can make the page feel more branded and professional, so make sure your visuals match the message of the page. You can also improve the layout by dragging and dropping new elements from the left sidebar directly onto the canvas. This gives you flexibility to add more content and refine the design as needed. Once everything looks the way you want, your landing page setup is essentially complete. That covers everything you need to know.